and welcome back to Go YouTube. I'm here with
Sienna.
And we're super excited because this week we got a massive package from Scunci with so many goodies, and we're going to be trying some of them out today. And first of all, we're going to be trying the Quick Twist. Do you want to tell them why?
Because I am going to a disco party today.
And she needs to get her hair ready. So let's get straight into it. So it creates twisty braids and includes 100 poly bands to hold your twists. And they're just at the bottom of the packet. And then of course it comes with some instructions, which I think we'll be needing. Alright, so how do you want it?
I want 2 pigtails.
2 pigtails? Twisted?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Nothing at the front like people in the packet? Just 2 ponies?
Yeah, just 2 ponies.
Okay, cool. Perfecto. So I think we should hold maybe the ponies in place with just an elastic, just like a hair tie. So that, because the elastics might be a bit hard to get out from it at the top. Where'd the scissors go? So this is the Scunci Ponytailers pack, and I've just cut these off so we can get them out. But I'm assuming you want pink, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. Alright, so I've got the elastics here. Stretch them out a bit, and we're going to tie up the ponytails. I guess your hair's already kind of parted. So we're just going to brush the hair. Okay, that's one done. Now we're gonna... Okay guys, so that's one done, and now we've got to do the other side. So are you excited for your party?
Yeah, very excited.
What are you wearing? What you're wearing now?
I may get changed, but I think I'm gonna wear this.
Fun, fun, fun. Alright guys, so that's both of the ponytails done and up. Are you happy with them?
Yeah.
Alright. I feel like they're pretty even in terms of how much hair there is. We're gonna hope so. Alright guys, so now Sienna's decided that she actually wants 2 twists per ponytail. So instead of having it split like this, we're gonna split it again. So do you want, obviously the more twists the better.
Yeah.
So we're splitting this, and you just wanna push this button up so that the pink clasps and you can put the hair in there. So we'll put the hair at the end in the clip. Oh, perfect! Look at me doing it on my first try. Okay, and then the other one goes into the other side. Sorry, I jinxed it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is hit the switch up to the part with 1 line so that it will twist the individual strands. Let me get this away. Like this. And then you want to put it down to the one with 2 lines to twist these strands together. Oh my gosh! And then just clip them like that. Okay, let's grab the elastics. Do you want to pass me one, please? Just going to twist it a little more at the end. Oh, a red one. It matches your jumpsuit.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we're just going to tie this off at the end. It's really great how they give us 100 of these little elastics. Alright guys, so now that we've got the first twist down, we're going to do it on the other section. So we've got 2. So you just want to split it again, clamp it up. You just want to repeat the process until you've got all the twists you desire. on. Just twist it so that that thing comes a bit closer. Beautiful. So you want to flick up first to twist the strands and flick down to twist them together. And then push these up and grab an elastic. Wow, getting better. Alright, so that's 2 down. How are you liking the first side?
I actually really, really like them. They look really cool.
Alright, so now we're going to go on to the next side. It's the exact same process, so we'll see you guys when it's finished. Alright guys, we've just finished tying off the last twist. So this is how the hair looks. Do you like it?
I really, really like it.
I really like how we decided to do 2 instead of just 1. I feel like it's fun. It's really fun. And the hair ties match your earrings. The pink and then the red matches the jumpsuit. Alright guys, so that was our fun with the quick twist. And now, do you want to put maybe some hair clips in your hair?
Yes, please.
So these light pink ones I think will match perfectly. So these are the snap clips. Secure hold, fun fashion. We've got 2. Do you want to clip them in?
Okay.
Scoop that up. Yeah. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. So this is the hair all finished. The clips and the hair ties match perfectly. The jumpsuit and the poly bands. Perfect. Alright guys, this is the final product. The hair ties match the hair clips and the poly bands match the jumpsuit. What do you rate it out of 10?
An 11 out of 10.
Why?
Because it's like super easy and really cute.
Yeah, it was definitely really easy and very, very quick. Make sure you guys go and get your hands on the Quick Twist by Scunci as soon as you can so you can have disco ready hair like this. And don't forget to watch our next YouTube video, which is coming out soon, where we'll be using the Quick Gems, another cool invention by Scunci. How excited are you to use that?
I'm super excited.
Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss a video. Anything else to add?
That I love Scunci.
Woo! Bye guys!